Kõik sõidavad 2 ringi. Mis olla?
Go, Rory, go, 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 go! Go on, Rory, keep going, keep going! Yoo! Going, one more lap, one more lap! Woo! Well done, Rory!
Ja.
Bye, Ralphie. Bye, Rory.
Bye. Bye.
See you, man.
You don't like the sand?
Do you know what? I'm starting to like it more and more as I'm here. I like the challenge. And then, 3, 2, 1.
4. 5. 62. Ander Alusmaa. 6. 651 sõidustardi samuti.
Good timing.
Yeah, exactly. Good
Like
luck
to go
to
down.
you.
Yeah, thanks.
Crazy, crazy person.
Is that? Hello, Bill.
Ja tahaks veterani ja naisega võistlejate minna valmistuma täna õhtuseks.
As soon as you came back past me, I was like, okay. You came past and then you definitely put a skirt on for half of that, didn't you? And it just broke me. I was like, I'm fucking
See what happened in the end.
Well, how close it was.
So basically that guy, now you got the overall third, that guy would have literally was missing 10 meters, the commentator said, and he would have got you, and then you would have been fourth.
Yeah, I know that, yeah. I can see. Because he crashed, he was behind me and then he crashed and then he caught me back up, but I just... Yeah, I don't think the second to last lap was going quite slow and then...
You were struggling.
Yeah, like struggling to keep going. And then I saw how quickly he was gaining me and I thought, oh my god, this is going to be close, come on, you need to push it a bit harder, Sam. And then that guy had come past me, I would have had fourth in the championship. Oh, I thought he meant today. No,
Yeah.
close. He
We
was only
were all like, what happened? And he was like, so, and he was coming, and you were kind of like almost like stopped.
Yeah, we saw it from there. Like, I sure made video of that moment when you were getting the finish, and the guy was completely raining on you so much. He was so close to you, man.
Racing here. Sam Jones, third place. Robert Guido ja Sam Jones. Sam Jones with third place. 184 kohapunkt 98 punkti ja hooaja kokkuvõtte võitja Raido Elving 230. 10 masinaklassis Raido Elving, Siim Eas ja Sam Jones. Järgmine klass.